morning and Merry Christmas. Every Christmas I like to give my friends and family one of my favorite recipes. This is very inexpensive, it's very quick, it's very easy, and it's an apple pie. Hope you enjoy. The first thing I'm going to do before I get started is preheat my oven to 200 degrees Celsius. We start with taking out one sheet of puff pastry from the freezer. While my oven's preheating, I've lined a baking tray with some baking paper, cut our pastry into 4, these will be your 4 little pies. Now for the apples. 2 large apples will make 4 pies, half an apple on each piece. I'm going to cut it in half, core it, peel it, and slice it. Peeled, cored, and sliced very thinly, half an apple per square. I have peeled, cored, and really thinly sliced all the apple. I'm going to just sort of fan it out a little bit, spread it out on this piece of puff pastry. Give it about a tablespoon of brown sugar. Just going to try to get it to stay on the top here without all falling off. We love cinnamon, so I'm going to sprinkle even the pastry with cinnamon. If you don't like cinnamon, you can leave this step out. Then lastly, we'll dot it with some butter so that it makes a sauce. That should be plenty. I'll do the last one and we'll put it in the oven and bake it, and it's going to be lovely. Okay, my oven's preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, and we'll put these in the oven 20 minutes probably. Once the pastry turns brown, they're all done. So you just have to watch the color. See you in 20. Here are our apple pies fresh out of the oven. Aren't they beautiful? And they were so easy. I love to have one as a breakfast. If you want to dress it up a bit, you've got a really quick and easy dessert here with a couple scoops of ice cream and a little sprinkle of chocolate. Breakfast or dessert, bon appetit. I hope you enjoy.